Hey guys, and welcome to Campkins.com. I'm Dave, and this is going to be your walkthrough of the brand new 2026 Grey Wolf 29 TE. So we'll start here at the front. Not too many changes. This has been a very popular floor plan for Cherokee over the years. Not too many changes because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But you can see nice big pass through here. You got your solar controller in there. It comes with the 200 watts solar panel on board. One small change for this year, but I think it's a nice improvement. Bigger window here in the bedroom, lets in a lot more light, makes it feel a lot more open, which is fantastic. Okay, so moving along here, this trailer has two entrances. You've got the one here into the bathroom, which is awesome. So if you're outside and you just want to make a quick bathroom trip, no problem. You don't have to go all the way through the trailer. Here in the middle of the trailer, you can see you've got your outdoor speakers with the accent lights. You've got a spot to mount your TV if you want to bring your TV out here and put the ball game on under the awning. Nice big awning with the LED light strip, which is great. Coming back here, here's your main entrance. And then back here is an absolutely fantastic outdoor kitchen. Okay, it starts with your cast iron griddle here. You got an ice maker, all right? Storage up here, hot and cold running water out here, so you can fully cook out here. And then here is this awesome outdoor fridge and freezer combo. So you have a ton of space for all of your cold and frozen items, all right? So if you're gonna be doing burgers on the griddle here, you can toss them right in there. They'll stay frozen until you're ready to use them. And then back here, like any Grey Wolf, it's got the flip down cargo rack, so that'll flip down. You can store more stuff there. And it also comes with a factory installed backup camera, which is fantastic. All right, so that's an overview of the outside of this trailer. Let's go inside and see what that looks like. Okay, here we are inside the Grey Wolf 29T. This is the 2026 model. You can see not too many changes from last model year. Nice big slide out here, so it makes this living space really nice and big. You can walk past each other without getting in each other's way. Good if the kids are running around, but you've got a really nice big U dinette, which of course will you can collapse that down. You can sleep a couple of regulation size humans there. And you can also sleep somebody up here on the jackknife sofa. So you've got additional sleeping if you need it. And from a storage perspective, lots of storage here under this U dinette with this great big pull-out drawer. And then here in the kitchen, you've got your cup washer, residential style sprayer nozzle here. Nice big stainless steel sink here. It's like a farm sink you can see with the stainless steel front here. 3-burner stove. And then down here, you've got your 3-in-1 appliance, because that is a microwave, an air fryer, and a convection oven. All right, so you don't have to bring all those appliances with you because you already got them on board. Lots of storage in your kitchen up here. Okay. You also have proper utensil drawers here. And there's your garbage, which is a thoughtful little touch. And if you don't want that there, you can always take that out and just use it as extra storage. All right. So we'll go over here in terms of other storage in the kitchen. And there's your really nice big pantry. Okay. Now, we're going to go back here and we're going to have a look at this bunk room. And you can see that it is very nicely designed. It's got a ton of storage. Okay. If you got guests staying back here, you've got your bunk beds there. You have a spot to put a TV if you want. And also that ladder pulls out, so it's easy to climb up onto the top bunk, which is, very thoughtful. If you got a smaller kid and they need to climb up there, no problems, all right? Okay, so we'll keep going through the trailer here. There's the main spot for your indoor TV here, okay? And you'll see that here's that bathroom. You can access it, from the outside if you need to. It's also en suite to the master bedroom, which is amazing. In the middle of the night, you don't have to go far to get to the washroom. Nice big corner shower, nice sink, lots of room around the toilet, and there's your medicine cabinet. All right. Then, if you follow me here into the bedroom, king size bed, right? Like home away from home. Now, up here, you've got tons of storage, okay? So lots of places for all your stuff. Over there, you've got those wardrobes. They open right up. There's places to hang anything that you need to hang in there. You've got your little secret storage area there, which is a nice touch. Then, you know, as is customary in a Grey Wolf, you've got your inverter plug here. So if you're running a CPAP machine, and even if the power goes out at night, they got you covered because now it's running off your battery. Excuse me. So I think that concludes our walkthrough of the 2026 Grey Wolf 29 TE. And as we always say here at Campkins, it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. And where's Myrtle? It's just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and see us and let us help you make your RV dream come true. We'll see you soon.